Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up secured folder in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using Samsung A36 or A56 and you want to set up secure folder, so let's see how can I do this. Just open device settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for security and privacy, tap on it. From here, just select more security settings and then select secured folder. You must have to look for it. Here's the secured folder, just tap on it, then select continue from here, and here this is creating a secure folder. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for this one. Just wait for it. Here you can see the secure folder has been created. You must have to create a pin, password, or pattern for your secure folder. I'm going to select a pin, just select it, and here select or at least 6 digits is recommended. You must have to enter 6-digit pin just like this, then select continue, and then re-enter your pin, select OK from here, and here select allow, select next, and here you can see your secure folder is ready. You can easily add apps here. You can just download directly from your Play Store if you won't have any app. So here you can easily use your file manager. Here you'll get your personal videos or file which you have secured, your personal camera, and here your secure folder. You can easily use it. So that's how you can easily set up your secure folder in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.